So, hey guys, it's been about 3 days. We're gonna check to make sure the queen's been released, and we're going to put this frame back in that we left out, give the bees room and then make room for the queen. So, just because I got stung last time, I'm a big gun shy. I'm gonna put on my hood, and I'm gonna smoke them to make sure they don't freak out when I open this hive up. It's a little bit cold, so it shouldn't be too bad, but I don't know the temperament of these bees. They're a little bit angry when I hived them up, but that's kind of expected. So just in case. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little smoke in there. What we want to see first is make sure that they found the feed up top. And then we got a few gallons of sugar water up on the top. So if you can come see this, come see. You see the bees in here?
Yeah. Yep.
There's one in here drowning.
She's alive.
Yeah, she's alive, but she just covered. Okay, so she's crawling back in. Alright, I'm gonna lift them off. Oh boy. Oh boy. I didn't think that went through. Hey, can you move this?
Which one?
This over? Never mind, I got it.
Go.
Alright. Go ahead and smoke them. So here's the queen.
She's still inside?
I'm gonna find out.
You're protecting her. Go down.
So the marshmallow is gone. Can you zoom in on that?
Yeah.
So she has been released.
Oh, yay.
So she is in the hive. I just want to see if they're getting into the pollen at all. And you can see where they're starting to eat it.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna just rip this open just a little bit for them. I'm gonna throw this right over there. All right, so now we're gonna put these together. Come on, bees, move out of the way. Put this other frame in here that we're missing. Space that back out a little bit to make it right. All right, so now they got their pollen. So there's just some bees hanging out in here. I'm gonna just put them out on the doorstep. See her
The bee?
on my hand?
Yeah.
Come on, little lady. All right, so now,
Okay, there's more on the side, on the other side right there.
then that's it. So now we got the queen released, and we've got the extra frame put back in there,
Yeah.
and that's it.
Put it another way around. The Queen Charlotte name is here.
Okay, I'll move that in a minute. So that's empty.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take that with me. How's that look?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.